Hi, this is the second video for assignment 5 and question number 7. This question asks us to match the pole zero diagrams with the frequency response diagram. So first let's look at the first pole zero diagram. And from the diagram you can easily find that this is a second order equation, and the resonant peak will be at about pi fourth. So let's look at the frequency response. Only the first diagram matched this pole zero diagram, so the question is 1. So let's go to the diagram 2. We can easily find in diagram 2 that this is first order and high pass. Now we have these two characteristics. We can look at the frequency response. So high pass and 1 and first order, so we can find that this pole zero diagram matches with the frequency response 4. So let's continue. And the pole diagram 3. From this diagram, we can easily find that first, this is second order, and the resonant peak will at pi seconds. So from these characteristics, we can find it will be frequency response 5, second order, and resonant peak at pi seconds. Let's go to diagram 4. This diagram is very easy. It will be first order and low pass, and low pass. So let's look at the frequency response. First order and low pass, it will definitely be frequency response 2. So then we go to the pole zero diagram 5. It's a little bit difficult. We can find from this diagram that first it will be third order, and resonant peaks at about pi seconds and 0. So we have two resonant peaks. So let's look at the frequency response. That will definitely be the diagram 6, because only 6 have two resonant peaks, and 1 is at 0 and 1 is at pi seconds. At last, we go to pole zero diagram 6. We can get, and this Poisson diagram will have a notch at about maybe pi fourths, and it will be high pass. We have these two characteristics. We can find the frequency response that will be high pass and notch at pi fourths. It will be definitely frequency response 3. And this will be the answer for the question number 7.